Meaning of HQ.
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 HQ. HQ is a commonly used abbreviation that can have a few different meanings depending on the context. One of the most common meanings is headquarters, which refers to the main office or central location of an organization. Alternatively, HQ can also stand for high quality, which means something is considered to be of exceptional or superior quality. For example, a product or service that is described as being HQ is often seen as top tier or elite. Overall, the meaning of HQ can vary depending on the situation, but it generally either refers to a main office or high level of quality.